Replacement pinion nut for Model 20 and 35, Dana 30JK, 44JK front, Ford 10.25, 10.5 and some 9.75 differentials. 7/8-20 thread, 1-1/8 socket. Engineered to fit specific differential applications. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Yukon Gear and Axle offers small parts for a wide variety of applications to ensure you have the parts you need to complete your differential repair, rebuild, restoration or upgrade. Top reviews from the United States. Did the job. Can't say too much. It did the job but it was supposed to. Correct fit.